Hey y'all, it's Justice and I'm back with the lip gloss video. So we're going to start off with our Versa Gel. Put that in your bowl of your choice, like so. And I'm not going to make a whole lot, so I'll use like a half of that one. And then we're making nude lip glosses, so I'm going to start off with brown. But I don't want to be real brown, so then I'm going to add in some white. And so we're gonna mix that up. We're trying to get it to be like, a nude color for more of like a light skin nude color, because nude is different based on your skin color. So if you're lighter or if you're darker. So yeah, nude is not just one nude, it's multiple nudes. But yeah, in case you didn't know that. And then I'm gonna mix it up here, and I like to mix it in really good. So that's the color. It kind of looked like I don't know, a frappuccino or something. And then, boom, cute, right? Cute. Yes. I don't know. I have a lot of energy, y'all. So we're filling our tubes, and I thought they looked so good. It looked like some coffee, iced coffee or something. But yeah, we're filling the tubes, and then we're filling another tube. So yeah, that's this color. I haven't came up with a name for it, but it is so cute. Yeah. And then I'm gonna make another one. So right now I'm just putting that in there with the rest of them, and back to the Versa Gel. So now we're gonna add in some more brown, and then I'm gonna add in some pink. Yeah, pink. And yes, I think I added in some white. Boom, there we go. Little white, just a little tap, little dash. So then we're gonna mix this in really good. Make sure you're mixing. You see, I'm beating it like an egg, mix it. So then I was like, I feel like I'm making the same color I already had. So yeah, I added in a little bit extra pink because it was just coming out brown for whatever reason. And mix it. Okay, cool. So it was cute. Okay. I was like, yeah, I had to double check to make sure it wasn't the same color what I already had. It's not. Cool. So you can see. And that's another nude color. Yes, honey, yes. So then we're gonna fill the tubes. And when I'm sampling colors, I don't fill a lot of tubes because I'm sampling them. You know what I mean? I don't want to make like 60 tubes and I'm like, oh, this is the ugliest color I've ever seen in my life. So, yeah. That's it in the tube. And now we're going to make another nude lip gloss. Y'all love me, don't it? I done gave y'all 3 nude lip glosses. So, here we go. Fill the bowl with Versa Gel. Add in some pink. And mix it up. Yes, we're gonna do a pink nude color because, like I said, different skin tones, different nudes. And so I had to take it and put it in my hand because I was like, it was on that pink like background, and I was like, I don't really know if it's coming out good or not. So yeah, mix it up. Make sure you mix it really good. Mix out the bubbles. Mix in the color. Mix it. It's really cute. I actually got some more ideas for pink lip glosses, but I wanted to do first the nude lip gloss because, y'all love nudes. Who doesn't? I love nudes, so I'm a very natural color girl. Like, it's very rare you're going to see me make like a purple or a blue or, a green lip gloss unless it's requested. If you request it, I will do it, but if not, I'm not going to do it. So yeah, fill the tubes. It look like some, I don't know. It look like a milkshake. It look like a strawberry milkshake or cotton candy or Pepto-Bismol. I don't know. It's cute. Whatever. So yes, this is the tubes. And I kind of like this pink. I really like this pink though. I'm not going to lie. Try it on. I like it. And I'm going to do a lip gloss try on. And that's all 3 of my nudes. And there's a lot of different my colors. And yeah. So I'm going to do a lip gloss try on for y'all soon. A lot of colors I've been making. And I love these nudes. So yeah, I'm gonna put them on my website. And I do have my keychains. You get 3 for $10. Okay, you guys, so those are my new lip glosses. They will be on my website. Check out my Instagram where I do all of my promotions. And if you have any color ideas, comment them down below. Make sure you are subscribing to my channel. I have plenty of things for you to see here. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys and stay blessed.